Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. News headlines in English for 27th of April. First of all, national news. Yogi Adityanath directed UP ministers, IAS officers to declare assets. Gujarat MLA Jignesh Mewani sent to 5-day police custody in assault case. Indian sailors rescued from Houthi rebels in Yemen thank PM Modi for safely bringing them back to India. Over 64,800 Kashmiri Pandit families left Valley in early 1990s center. Experts saying fourth wave likely to start from June end. Karnataka minister. And now some international news. Russian rockets flew over Europe's biggest nuclear power plant. Ukraine. Only 1 in 4 COVID patients feel fully recovered after a year. UK study. Russia-Ukraine war. Over $2.25 billion is now required for needs inside Ukraine, says UN. Radiation level at Chernobyl abnormal. UN atomic watchdog. And now some sports news. Roger Federer set to return in Basel at the end of October. Organizers. Wimbledon chief said no viable alternative to Russia player ban. Wimbledon has banned Russian and Belarusian players from participating in the tournament this year. BCCI will keep no stone unturned to tap talent from Northeast region. Jay Shah on NCA camp. Shah Rukh Khan personally offered me 3-year contract to join Kolkata Knight Riders. Former Pakistan cricketer Yasir Arafat. Novak Djokovic can play at Wimbledon as no vaccination required. And now let's have a look on weather of 27th April. The weather on 27th April in India will be very hot with temperatures reaching 37 degrees Celsius. During the evening and night time, the temperatures will drop to 29 degrees Celsius. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.